Have you ever wondered what a lean manufacturing audit is? Well, you're in for an enlightening journey as we unravel the mystery of lean manufacturing audits. A lean manufacturing audit in its essence is an evaluation process. It measures the efficiency and effectiveness of a manufacturing operation. It is a tool that seeks to identify areas of waste, inefficiency, and potential for improvement in manufacturing processes. What is a lean manufacturing audit? A lean manufacturing audit is an intricate dance of observation, analysis, and assessment. It is a systematic approach used to scrutinize a company's manufacturing processes, identifying where improvements can be made to increase productivity and reduce waste. This is accomplished by applying the principles of lean manufacturing, a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing productivity. Where is a lean manufacturing audit conducted? A lean manufacturing audit can take place anywhere there's a manufacturing process in progress, whether it's a sprawling car assembly plant, a bustling food processing facility, or a compact electronics workshop. Any place where products are made is a potential candidate for a lean manufacturing audit. Why are lean manufacturing audits important? The importance of a lean manufacturing audit cannot be overstated. It is the compass that guides a manufacturing operation towards efficiency and effectiveness. By identifying areas of waste and inefficiency, it shines a spotlight on potential opportunities for cost savings and productivity enhancements. It's the critical first step in a continuous cycle of improvement, driving innovation and competitiveness. Who conducts a lean manufacturing audit? A lean manufacturing audit is typically carried out by a team of experts, often external consultants, who have specialized knowledge and experience in lean manufacturing principles and practices. These professionals bring an objective, third-party perspective to the table, providing valuable insights and actionable recommendations. When is a lean manufacturing audit conducted? There's no hard and fast rule for when a lean manufacturing audit should be conducted. It can be a regular part of a company's operational calendar, or it can be triggered by specific events such as a drop in productivity, a rise in production costs, or the introduction of new manufacturing processes. How is a lean manufacturing audit conducted? Conducting a lean manufacturing audit involves a series of steps. It starts with the gathering of data about the manufacturing process, followed by an in-depth analysis of this information. The auditors then make observations on the shop floor, identifying areas of waste and inefficiency. Based on their findings, they formulate recommendations for improvement, which are then presented to the company's management. In summary, a lean manufacturing audit is a powerful tool for enhancing efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing sector. By pinpointing areas of waste and inefficiency, it paves the way for continuous improvement and innovation, ultimately contributing to a company's bottom line. It's a process that brings immense value, guiding manufacturing operations towards their goal of lean, efficient, and effective production. So, the next time you hear about a lean manufacturing audit, you'll know exactly what it's all about.